Hi trader, you're welcome to my channel. This is a back-to-back continuation of the previous video. Like I told you, this is buying pressure coming into the market, and now you can, as we can see, the market is going back, is breaking out of this trading range. The accumulation is breaking out of this trading range. Now what we want to do now is to see something that is common within the market, which is the news release. The news release is meant to drive the price up to trap traders in weak positions. So if you are going to trade the news release, you have to be careful. For instance, this is it. This is what is happening right now. The price has been driven up. The news is about to happen, which is the crossing of a slower EMA, or of a faster EMA over a slower EMA, and yeah, this is what is happening now. So from here, I'm going to do a call trade, but I am doing this call trade. Sorry, this was my last trade for, you see, for that last video. I am doing this call trade not because this is supposed to be actually a buying pressure. I am doing it because there are traders who are going to do this call trade, and they will do it from this opening price. But if you look at what I'm doing now, I'm doing it from a lower entry point because I'm using the margin of safety, so that when it closes, definitely it should close as a red candle. If it closes like that, I still have space for this candle to come back, to come like, I still have space for this trade to go in the money. Yeah, something like this. You see, it didn't close as a green candle, it closed as a red candle. Now this is the trap. Why? The news has happened. Now what traders will be doing by now is buying, but I advise you at this point, you shouldn't be buying, you should be getting ready to sell, because this is what it should be. You see, you should be getting ready now to do what to sell, because they've trapped everyone they want to trap within this candle, and now they are bringing the market back down, because this 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 breakout is just for a real, as in a continuation of this range. So the range now will be expanded to here. This is what the insiders they do every time. And for those of us who haven't gotten the ebook, I think, sorry, the course, I think in chapter 4 or lesson 4 of that course, I gave the total breakdown of how these things work and how you can take advantage, and this is me implementing them now. So you see, this candlestick here is a selling pressure. The market right now is a selling pressure, but at the same time, when there is selling pressure, there is news driving the market up. Why? Because the insiders will want to buy at a higher price. That is just how it is. They would want to buy at a higher price. So generally, this is not a really this is kind of a risky place to trade. But what I know is that the market is being pushed to a somewhere here. You can see somewhere here where where they came in from the last time, or we can see so many selling pressure levels. This is what happens in the market. You can see this news release is very strong using the indicators. Now, without these indicators, you might think that this is just a news release being used to push the market up. You may not know, but this is exactly what is going. And every time the market goes or up, the insiders find a way to distribute. Now you can see them; they are distributing. Now, for some people, they would, after this strong candle, they would want to buy, but if they are buying and at the same time the insiders wants to start distributing, that is selling, you are at the wrong end of the market. This is how it works. But I'm sure this candlestick is still going to act like the way this one did. So if you are going to buy, you are not going to buy at this opening price, you are buying in the middle, because for every huge candlestick like this, the middle of that candlestick always acts as a key level. It may not be a strong key level, but it does act as a key level, so you can buy from here. But for me, since I bought here, I will not make the mistake of buying again. Why? Because I am not a magician. I don't want to be trapped in at the wrong side of the market. So this is how it goes. Now if I want to trade now, I will be waiting for what this technique called support and resistance. Now we know the last support, the support is always forming. Now this is like a high. This is like a high here. Now if this candlestick is forming as a red candle, what I have to do, I know that the insiders are not distributing. I will wait for it to come back here because I've seen that they are distributing. Why do I know? They push the price up, they are still pushing. You see, they are still pushing up. So this price action may continue, but once it stop, I start selling with the insiders. This is just how you follow the algorithm of the market. If you haven't, you do where to get the ebook, you do where to get the course so that you can change your trading game forever. So until next time, I want you to take care and bye bye.